If your spouse, let's say, has a disability, well, listen up, your estate plan needs to do more than just divide assets. It has to provide for your spouse's care in a way that's going to protect their important benefits that they're getting to help them with their disability. And it's going to be a way to plan for the future with compassion and precision. So, in this video, I'm going to be covering how to navigate estate planning when you have a disabled spouse. Hi there. My name is Bill O'Leary. I'm an attorney with Legacy Planning Law Group in Jacksonville, Florida. We focus on things like probate and elder law and estate planning. By the way, if maybe you have a loved one with special needs that you're planning for and you want to do it right, make sure to subscribe for more estate and elder law guidance. So, in this video, I want to talk about navigating estate planning when you have a disabled spouse. So, in this video, you're going to learn three things, I hope. One, how leaving a disabled spouse a direct inheritance is not good. It can really jeopardize their public assistance benefits, number one. Number two, how a special needs trust is a great way to make sure that doesn't happen, that they're not jeopardized. And three, how a special needs trust works. So let's jump in and let's start off with the first question. How do you leave assets to a spouse who is disabled without disrupting their sort of government assistance benefits? If your spouse receives what's called needs-based assistance, things like Medicaid or what's called supplemental security income, SSI, leaving them a direct inheritance can disqualify them from those programs. That's why planning ahead is really important. One of the best tools to use is called a supplemental needs trust, also known as a special needs trust. And so you see this kind of trust, it lets you set aside money for your spouse's benefit, all without affecting their eligibility for government help. The trust can pay for things like maybe therapies, home care, travel, quality of life sort of things, enhancements, things that are not otherwise already covered by their public benefits. So it's sort of a gap filler. What you'll do is with this trust, you'll appoint a trustee. This can be a trusted person, maybe a professional, who will manage the trust and make distributions on your spouse's behalf. Another option is a trust we call a qualified disability trust, which can provide tax benefits in certain situations. And by the way, if you're worried about outliving your assets, Medicaid planning might be also part of your strategy. Now, also be sure that your overall estate plan for your disabled spouse includes a number of other very important elements, legal items. One, a will, a last will and testament. Better yet, a revocable living trust to ensure that your disabled spouse and other family members don't get bogged down in the messy probate courts we have here in Florida. Also, make sure you include, as part of that will or revocable trust, I was mentioning that special needs trust. Make sure that's included as part of that or within that trust structure. Third, what's called a durable financial power of attorney, as well as advanced healthcare directives for both you and your spouse. And make sure that you have updated your beneficiary designations on accounts and so forth that will align with your plan. And don't forget things like life insurance, retirement accounts, other assets that are not probatable assets, if you will. They have to be coordinated with your overall estate plan as well, so that they don't inadvertently disqualify your spouse from those needed government assistance programs. Look, estate planning in this situation is not a one size fits all. It's emotional, it's financial and legal, and it all needs to be done right. So if you have a disabled spouse and you want to make sure that they are cared for without risking their essential support system, those government assistance programs, if it's, again, to make sure it's done right, reach out to us here at Legacy Planning Law Group. We really are here to help. So we invite you to schedule a discovery call. That's what we call our initial phone contact. It's a 15, 20-minute call. It's free with our team. And scheduling is easy, just a click of a button. So now appearing at the bottom of this video is a box. It's a clickable box. Click on it. Takes you to our booking calendar, our private booking calendar. Pick the day and time that works for you, and we'll get on the call and see if we're a good fit with each other. By the way, if you have found this video helpful, do like it and subscribe and put your comments below. And hey, by the way, hit that notification bell so you're notified when we put up new content. So Bill O'Leary is signing off for now. Until we talk again, go make it a great day and make it a better world. And thank you for watching. See you on the next video.